I got a 2006 Dodge Ram, and one of my vents, this little part on the bottom that you move to move the rest of them, broke off. So this is how I fixed it. You can see this is broke off. The bottom piece is missing. Here it is in my vise. What I did was I drilled a little hole right there on the side. And I got the right size piece of brass to go in that hole. And I super glued it in. And then that engages with that, which moves the rest of these. Let's see if I can show you. When you push it, when that moves that, it moves the rest of the vents. And there's a little hole in there. It's hard to do with the camera in your hand, so I'm going to put it together and show you. Okay, so you want to take your piece of brass and you want to put it in the hole there, and you want to mark it off. Focus. About 90 thousandths sticking out. Okay, there it is. It's too tall. I just cut it off with side cutters and filed the burr off of it. I'm going to file it down a little more. The easy way to file it is just put it in your drill, chuck it up in your drill, and use a file on it.